All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. So, now that I'm hooked on freaking opening these card boxes, I'm going to go ahead and film this one a different way because the other way was really hard to process. I had 2 videos going and all that stuff. It's not that serious, right? I'm just opening them for myself. But I did venture out, and because yesterday I went to one place and it was the only place that was open after hours, right? It was open up until 7. The other place that I wanted to go to was open till 5, from noon till 5, well, 10 till 5. And so today, myself and my daughter made a trip out there, which is on the other side of Corpus, about 35 minutes from where I'm at. And he didn't really have much in the 2025, a couple mega boxes for the Chrome, or for Tops. But I did end up finding 2 of these 2022 Archive Signature Series, which is obviously one auto encased and per box. But he had these 2, and these were $100 a piece. Let me know down in the comment section if that's a decent price, if that's a good price. I know it's a 2022, but I'm not searching after just rookies. I'm actually gonna try to collect as well, right? So if I hit on any gems, and I hit on some gems, but I like these. I like these because 1, I'm guaranteed a signature, right? 2, I like Bryce Harper, so if I pull a Bryce Harper, I'm down with that. But anyways, also got this, the Bowman Sterling, which has 6 cards and 1 auto in it. So basically gonna get 3 autos for $300, which is not a bad price, and it kind of alleviates a lot of the filler that I would have to go through. Originally, I was going to look for a Tops, I believe it was like a Stadium for 2025, but he didn't have, like I said, he didn't have much 2025. But depending on what these look like and what this one looks like, he had a bunch of boxes of this. Maybe we'll keep pulling these things, but I don't know. Like I said, let me know down in the comment section. What I'm going to try to do is every freaking Monday, I'm going to try to go to his shop, spend a couple $100, and have an opening. So make sure to subscribe, put the notifications. I'm going to try to do it every Monday that I'm not at work. When I'm at work, I'll let you guys know. And if there's a card store in my area, I'll go pick up some cards, and we'll still stay on the Monday routine. But as of right now, I'm going to stick to the Monday. And I have some boxes that I did order on Amazon yesterday, so they should come in next week. But once those come in, we'll start the Monday unboxings, okay? So, well, what's today? You want to just start a Friday unboxing? We'll do it Fridays. We'll set it up for Fridays. Every Friday, we'll unbox something. Let me know. Like I said, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. It's going to be short and sweet to the point because it's not much filler. But I think this will be interesting because it is 3 autos guaranteed, right? Man, I'm new here, so don't hate on me too much down in the comment section, but I appreciate you guys. Make sure to subscribe, all right? All right, so I'm not going to lie. I'm pretty nervous. I don't know which one I should open up first. Maybe just like that, kind of sandwich it in between. Let's do that, right? Which one's this one? See if they have a different number. Different weight. I don't think that matters. But let's go ahead and get this party started. Hope everybody's doing well. Like I said, let me know down in the comment section if I paid too much, if there's a place where I can get these a little bit cheaper. I'm still interested. I mean, I know they're not 2025. I know everybody wants the latest and greatest, but as a collector, you're going to collect whatever, right? Even when you get these in the 2025, it's not guaranteed it's a card that's from 2025, right? Sometimes they reach back and they do fucking 2015 cards and shit like that. But oh, I don't have the fancy one to go over. Let's do that, like how the boys do it. Let's see, got this one. We'll use this Fernando Tatis that I pulled out of yesterday's box. I won't look. Let's go ahead and do it. Let's do it the way the pros do it. All right, single card, nothing in here. I'm pumped. Let's see. Okay, it's going this way. Has it got a number? It's White Sox. Jimenez Eloy. Oh, Eloy Jimenez. It's going the other way. Rookie card. 1 of 1. Damn, a 1 of 1 on my first pack. Dude, heck yeah. 1 of 1. Rookie. Eloy Jimenez. Nice. 1 of freaking 1 on my first on the 2022 box. Heck yeah. Yeah. You guys can see that? Right there? Let me see. Oh, yeah. Look at that. 1 of 1. 1 of 1 rookie card. Nice. Like, yeah. Okay. Good deal. Let's open this Bowman. I seen I seen a big box of Bowman, but I believe it's like a prospect style one, and it's a 2025. That was at that other place that I went to, and I picked up that chrome box, and that thing was freaking, I want to say almost $400. That thing was almost freaking $400. All right, let's pull something cool. Is there, I don't know if there's a specific way that I'm supposed to do these. I guess we're going to find out right now if I need to, like, if the signature is going to be on top. It probably not, right? It's probably going to be on the bottom. They'll probably do you a solid in that sense. But, oh, it's a pack. It's a pack. It's a pack. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Like I said, I'm new here. I'm rookie here. A lot of the packs that I'm opening or like that I'm kind of interested in is because I watch Honey Hole Collectors, right? Honey Hole Collectors or Collections or whatever. I follow those guys, and a lot of the boxes that I see these guys hit on cool stuff or the cards look really cool, that's what has my interest. So I don't know, this is fun to me. It's a little bit better of a hobby than buying really expensive GTR parts, so we'll stick to this for right now. But let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Come on, get something good. Get something good. Come on with it. Come on with it. Okay. Gabriel Gonzalez. Ooh, these are pretty cards. Nice and shiny. We got a William Barragola with the Phillies. William Barragola with the Phillies. Ooh, Samuel Munoz from the Dodgers. Look at that. Is it numbered? Not numbered. It is not numbered. Pretty cool. Pretty cool looking card. Like that. Okay. Then we got Jet Williams. Jet Williams from the Mets. Jackson Churio? Jackson Churio. I've heard that name before. With the Brewers. And Yanquiel Fernandez. Damn, dog. Well, you got the hard name, bro. These are clean looking cards, though. Not bad. These aren't numbered. These aren't numbered, which is kind of crappy. But still a cool looking card. Dodger, so you know he's probably hyped up. Okay, let me get these little holders for these bad boys. I actually ordered a bunch of these with the order of the 2025s. I got 3 boxes of the 2025 Archive Signature Series coming. So that'll be fun for next Friday, right? That'll be fun for next Friday. Oh, this is 6 cards total, so 3. Let's put these in there. Hold on, my little girl's calling me. All right, boys, I'm back. So we went ahead and put that Samuel Munoz in the protector because we got an auto there, but it is not numbered. I'm not sure if that makes a difference. I'll have to look this guy up, mainly because he's a Dodger. We'll look him up, right? These cards are kind of bowed. I guess that's why they call them Bowman. Cards are kind of, see that? Kind of crooked, but it is what it is. Pretty looking card, though. So there's our second autograph, 1 of 1. Let's go ahead and put these up. Jackson Churio. Yeah, I've heard his name before. Jet Williams. That's a pretty dope-ass name. Jet. Better be fast, though. Say this guy's got wheels. How many stolen bases? I don't even show stolen bases, so he probably ain't fast. The name like Jet, bro, you gotta be fast. These cards are pretty, though. I do like the way they look. Gabriel Gonzalez, Seattle. Prospect profile. Okay. So we got those put up. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. I'm excited. I'm pumped. Come on. We need some good juju. Give me another 1 of 1. It doesn't matter who it is. I mean, it'd be nice if we had a big name, but give me another 1 of 1. All right? Your boy will be real happy. Get another 1 of 1. Just another 1 of 1. Come on. didn't look. I promise you guys. It's all good. It's obviously my personal, but I'm not looking. I want to be surprised. All right. A little suspense. Let's see what we got. Which way is it? Okay, it's this way. Look like it says to 50. 38 of 50. For, who is that? All-Star Game, Tampa Bay. Austin Meadows. Pretty clean looking card though. I like that with the greeny. It's real shiny. Austin Meadows, All-Star Game 2019. Pretty cool looking card, huh? Austin Meadows. We got a Eloy Jimenez, 1 of 1. I'll take that all day. And a Samuel Munoz. Let me know what you guys think, all right? I know I'm not an expert. Let me know if you can find these boxes in your area for anywhere cheaper than $100, but I'm happy with it. Rookie card, 1 of 1. Signature, 38 of 50. Austin Meadows, All-Star Game, which is pretty cool, but I don't know, not too bad. And then these are not numbered, but still clean looking card. It's a Dodger, so you know he's got a little bit of hype to him probably. But I appreciate everybody. Like I said, every Friday we will open something, and I appreciate you guys. Please subscribe, and let me know down below, man, what you guys want me to open up. What should I be looking for? Peace.